So I have just been filming my Glossybox advent calendar unboxing, and it is such an incredible advent calendar. I've actually had to make this video a two-parter because otherwise it's just gonna be way too long. So I thought, let's make it a two-parter, then we can really get into it, because I felt like by the end I was just having to rush to like show you everything before I got to the end of my video. So let's kick back off where we were. And just a reminder, the Glossybox advent calendar is out now. It's worth £624. It's being sold to non-subscribers for £90, but if you use the code ADVENT5, you get £5 off. But if you're a subscriber and you log into your account, it will automatically be £75 for you. My God, I'm so excited. I cannot speak. So basically, subscribers will get it for £75, non-subscribers can get it for £85, but you do have to use the code ADVENT5 to get that special price. Oh my God, it's such a good advent calendar. It's literally overwhelming. So if you want to see what's in boxes 1 to 23, then you have to watch part 1 of this video. But if you have watched part 1, this is part 2, and I'm also going to quickly try and run through some of my favorites at the end. So if you want a kind of version of this video where you don't see absolutely everything, but you kind of see the highlights, part 2 might actually be pretty good for you. So yeah, let's get back into it. So I ended part 1 with box number 23. This is the 23rd of December. It has been a wild ride. There has been so much good stuff in here. There has been Iconic. There has been Esper, which I love. I love Esper. There has been Emma Hardy, their Moringa Cleansing Balm. There has been honestly so much good stuff. There's been a room fragrance. God, my mind has gone blank because it's literally been that good. But anyway, box number 23 is Rituals, and it is the mini fragrance sticks. This is, again, full size. By the way, in this box, there is so much full size. There is barely any travel sizes. It's nearly all full size, which is kind of unheard of. So anyway, this is box number 3. This is the Rituals mini fragrance stick. So that is really beautiful. And the scent is the Ritual of Sakura, which I think is the cherry blossom scent, but don't quote me on that because I might have got that wrong. So let's go back to the advent calendar and find box number 24. There she is. So box number 24 is of course Christmas Eve, and it is big and heavy. I have high hopes for this. Okay, it does not disappoint. It is a candle by Glossybox. It's in the Winter Orchid scent. This is what it looks like. Oh my God, that smells so good. I don't know how to describe it. It is it's like kind of a fresh, clean floral, but it's got like a snowy quality to it as well. It's honestly so pretty. Oh, that's so good. Oh, so that is Winter Orchid. It's by Glossybox. It's full size. And the size that it is kind of somewhere between a travel size candle and kind of like the big diptyque candles. And it is 100 grams. So hopefully that gives you an idea of the size, but it honestly smells so pretty. Oh, I love it. So that is a little Christmas Eve treat for us. And you know when you can just imagine yourself getting yourself like a nice little treat, a nice little cocktail, and just busting open a new candle. It's just giving good vibes. And now there's only one box left to go. And it is number 25, Christmas Day. So at this point of Christmas, we have listened to Mariah Carey a lot, eaten a lot of mince pies, made some chutney, or maybe that's just me. I love making chutney. I'm probably just ready to stop and relax. And we have a Christmas Day gift from Glossybox, so let's have a look at what it is. Box number 25 is always the best thing. So let's see what's... Oh my God. This is major. This is like so major. This is by Natasha Denona, and it's a Face Glam palette, and it is Eye and Cheek Essentials. Oh my God. Oh my God, how beautiful is this? I honestly could not be more excited. I feel like positively giddy. Okay, let's open her up together. Oh, she's beautiful. Oh my God, look at these colours. They are honestly so beautiful. Look at them. This is genius. So look, to separate the face and the eye colours, there's actually a little foldy over bit just to keep it all nice and safe and neat. That's actually genius. I've never seen this before, but look at these colours. Like every single one of them is so pretty. It's so wearable. The cream blush is beautiful. The highlighter is absolutely stunning. And every single one of those eye colours is so usable. Like, I love an eyeshadow palette, but at the same time, I do find myself only using a couple of colours. And I actually feel like every single colour in that palette I will use. And I will, of course, use the cream blusher and the highlighter too. It's just absolutely stunning. Like, that is a beautiful palette. It's like they want us to use every single shade and work this palette down till we hit pan and hit all the edges with not a single shade going to waste. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of blown away by this. So I will clip in a full list of the contents, but off the top of my head, I would say my favourite items in the entire advent calendar, all £624 worth. I would say my top 5 are the iconic mascara, the Medicate toner, the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, of course, that is number 1. I'm really excited about the Room Mist. And what else? God, there's so many things to choose from. The Emma Hardy, of course, the Emma Hardy. I love Emma Hardy so much. Rodial is always a favourite of mine, and I love their vitamin C range. Oh, and the deodorant, the Act deodorant. I'm so excited about that. And again, another full-size product. Nearly everything in here is full-size. It's honestly a banger of an advent calendar. But genuinely, there is more than 5 like major highlights of this box. And to be honest, the advent calendar is probably worth it just for the Natasha Denona. And as I said in part 1, if there's anything that you're not really into from this advent calendar, you can bundle all those pieces up to make little stocking fillers for your friends and family. So for instance, if you're not into like, I don't know, like the lip gloss colour, like me, then just bundle those items up, wrap them up and make it into a really cute little gift. But to be honest, there's really not much in here that I wouldn't use. It's a really universal selection. Anyway, that's my video. That is part 2. I am blown away. The Natasha Denona is incredible. And it is just 100% worth every single penny. If you're a subscriber, it is a no-brainer. If you're a non-subscriber, then £85 for all of this is literally incredible. Like, go buy 2. It's incredible. Anyway, the link is below. The discount code was Advent5. If you're a subscriber, make sure you log into your account to get the discounted price. But it is just an incredible advent calendar. Literally 2 items, the Natasha Denona palette and the Triple Threat Iconic London mascara is probably worth the entire contents of the box alone. It's honestly incredible. Anyway, that's my video. That is part 2. Part 1 is already on my channel, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon. I hope you like it as much as I do. It is out now. It is worth £624. If you can afford it, I would say this is an incredible advent calendar. It's well worth buying. And I hope you love it as much as I do. Anyway, sorry for my dusty mirror. And I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.